Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Motorola is coming back in a 2021 with a new smartphone, Motorola One 5GS, now in North America for a $399. This is a latest Motorola smartphone. It's a 5G and it's new Motorola One 5GS. Motorola announced its Moto G 5G back in July and later brought it stateside as the Moto One 5G. Now we get the new Motorola One 5GS, which is Motorola's most affordable 5G phone, fourth in North America. Price it's around $399. There is a 6.7-inch LCD with a FHD plus resolution, as you can see up front, and a centered punch hole for the 16 megapixel selfie camera. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 750G chipset, which feature the integrated Snapdragon X52 5G modem. For a sub 6 GHz 5G connectivity, you get the 4 and 6 gigs of RAM option and 64 and 128 gigs of storage option, which is further expandable via the micro SD card. The camera department is handled by a 48 megapixel primary shooter, which sits next to an 8 megapixel ultra wide module, a 2 megapixel macro sensor, and an LED flash. You will also spot the trademark Moto dimple, which houses the fingerprint scanner. The phone is IP52 rated and comes in at 212 grams. On the software side, you get a standard Android 10 with the Motorola My UX skin on the top. The battery comes in at a massive 5000 mAh battery and does 15-watt wired charging, though you only get a 10-watt adapter in the box. The Moto One 5GS goes on a sale starting January 14 in the US, while Canadian buyers will have to wait a bit more. It comes in a single silver colorway. So this is the latest Motorola Moto One 5GS for a $399. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new Motorola smartphone, and also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out and bye.